Okay guys, today we are going to make chicken malai masala. Firstly we roast the whole spices, then add onion and saute it, then add our cutted chicken pieces and stir it and mix it well. Then add some spices like red chilli powder, turmeric, coriander powder and salt and mix it well and cook for the 10 minutes. Cover it and give into 5 minutes more. After 10 minutes you can see the chicken is done. Okay, now we are going to add some cream and yogurt, then cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the chicken is done, then add some coriander and serve hot. I hope you enjoy the recipe and you will definitely try it at your home. Thank you.